everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I came out with a yoga tutorial. The truth is, I recently got a cat and she takes up a lot of space and she refuses to let me practice yoga. A lot of you have been asking me to make some yoga videos, so today I will be demonstrating Surya Namaskar, which is sun salutations. Begin in a standing position. Circle your arms overhead into Urdhva Hastasana. Release your arms to your sides as you forward fold. Inhale to lift halfway up into Ardha Uttanasana and exhale to release back into the forward fold. Jump or step back into Chaturanga as you inhale into an upward facing dog. Exhale as you press back into downward facing dog. You can choose to stay here for a few breaths. And when you're ready, inhale, walk or jump to the top of the mat into Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, release into your forward fold. Circle your arms overhead, Urdhva Hastasana, and come back into Namaste. Okay, let's do that again, but this time with more detail. As you swing your arms overhead, raise your gaze along with your hands and roll your shoulders back away from your ears. Release your arms to your sides as you hinge from the waist, not from the lower back. Inhale your head and chest to half forward bend. Exhale to Uttanasana. Jump back, keeping your elbows bent as you lower your body to the floor. Inhale as you lift your chest, thighs, and knees into upward facing dog. Jump or step up into downward facing dog and hold for a few breaths. When you're ready to come out, inhale as you walk or jump to the front of the mat into Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale into your deep forward fold. Inhale as you reach overhead and back into Tadasana. You can also keep your hands in Namaste because that's what all the other yogis do. Now, of course, if all of that was way too much for your body, here is an easier breakdown. So when you go into a forward bend, you don't have to go into such a deep bend. You don't have to touch the ground, and you can even keep your hands on your shins. Now, from Uttanasana, you also don't have to jump back, but instead just slowly walk your feet back one by one. The Chaturanga looks easy, but it's actually a really difficult plank. So if that's too much for your arms and shoulders, just set your knees down. You can also stay in a baby cobra pose where you only lift halfway, but your thighs and knees are still on the ground. On the next exhale, press into a downward facing dog. And there's two ways. You can jump or just step up like a normal person. There's nothing too difficult about downward facing dog, but if this is a pose that you find very challenging, you can step your hands further out away from your feet. Take a few more breaths here and just enjoy this pose. When you're ready to come out of the pose, slowly walk your feet back to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway into Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, release into your forward fold. Inhale, slowly rise up with your arms over your head and bring your hands back into prayer. And Namaste! You guys just did sun salutations. Thank you so much for watching my videos, everyone. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if you don't want to subscribe, that's totally fine. You can also watch the videos on Instagram, wherever you feel like being social. Anyways, thank you guys, and I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Oh, and happy 2018.